I'm David Varner from Varner Land Management. I do forestry mulching for Jacksonville, Florida and most of Northeast Florida. I own a CAT299D XHP with a DENIS CIMAF 180D mulching head, as well as other equipment. I have an excavator. We do forestry mulching, site prep, general land clearing, and underbrushing. In Northeast Florida, we mostly deal with pine and thick palmetto underbrush and palm. The DENIS CIMAF mulcher works well for all of those, especially pine. DENIS CIMAF has been exceptional for me. It's exceeded my expectations. The blades, the sharpening technique, the ability to sharpen your blades and maintain the cut, its performance has been incredible. I've been very pleased. I use type 3 blades on my DENIS CIMAF 180D. It gives me good longevity out of those knives, and it doesn't wear very much when processing palmetto and pine that I mostly deal with. Get about 120 hours out of each set of knives. So with knives, it gives you the advantage of clearing ground faster. So generally speaking, if I'm running knives, I can clear 2 to 3 acres a day, depending on how thick it is. It works well in palmetto and pine, process it very quickly. Obviously, the larger the material, the slower it is, but generally speaking, it's twice as fast, if not 3 times as fast as carbide teeth. Most of the jobs I have are under 5 acres. A lot of it is residential. Some of it is 2 to 3 acre jobs. The DENIS CIMAF head allows me to finish those jobs faster. A 2 to 3 day job with that head may only take a day or 2 at most. Hurricane cleanup can be a little bit more tricky. It's a little bit more involved. The homeowner is usually on the site, and we have to be very careful when removing the debris to not cause any more damage to their property. And also the person's usually kind of stressed out from the event, so we're trying to help them, but it is a little bit more rewarding. One benefit of purchasing a DENIS CIMAF is it includes the tech coming down to tune it to your machine, as well as the sharpening attachment needed to sharpen your blades and an extra set of mulching teeth. Maintenance on skid steers is very high. For the DENIS CIMAF, maintenance is fairly easy, but it is something you have to maintain. I sharpen the teeth twice a day, but that's a relatively easy process. It takes about 15 minutes to sharpen each time. So I got in the business 3 years ago when I purchased land of my own, and when I started researching how to clear land, I discovered forestry mulchers, and I purchased some other equipment that worked well, and then I found DENIS CIMAF, and that has been a big upgrade for me, and it works great for the material that I have in Jacksonville. It works great for stumps and for the pine and for the underbrush here in this location. The CAT299 has been very reliable for me. The dealer support from Ring Power from Caterpillar has been exceptional. Any issue I have, they always have my back. DENIS CIMAF is the same. They stand by their product. A tech came down when I purchased the mulcher to set it up and tune it to my machine. So the service and support has been fantastic with both of my pieces of equipment.